Good morning, students. Today I am coming here to help you to answer the question answers from this lesson number 5. Firstly, I want to give you the answers of this MCQ. That means firstly, tick the correct answer, then fill in the blanks, then state whether the following statements are true or false. And along with them, I will help you to answer this question number type E questions, balance the following chemical equations. So this is I think for you, it will be a difficult question. That is why I'll help you to answer that question. And again, I will help you to answer the HOTS. Okay, HOTS answers also I will give you today in my class. So first of all of you, make your copy open. Okay, and write lesson number 5 and today's date 11/8/2021 that you write, and type A answers you get ready to write, because I am writing on the board. Okay, so I am opening my board. What I am writing on the board, everything you will write on your copy. Okay, what I am writing on the board, you will write on your copy. So firstly, type A questions I will give you. So lesson number 5. Lesson number 5 you write down, and today's date, today is what? 11th of August 2021. This date you write, lesson number you write, and type. Okay. Now, type A number 1, I am writing here, you write on your copy. It will be A molecule. Then number 2, it will be 118, 118. Number 3, it will be calcium, Ca, calcium. Number 4, it will 1, answer is 1. Number 5, it is atomicity, atomicity, atomicity. So these are the answers of type A. So you write down. Did you finish? Okay, then I'm going to the next. Now type B, fill in the blanks. Okay, so there also you will write the answers. How I'm writing on the board, like that you write. First one is element. The second one is compound. Number 3, third one, it is matter, MATTER, matter. Number 4, it is chemical symbols, chemical symbols. Okay, then number 5, that is direction, DIRECTION, direction. Okay, so these are the answers you write down. See the spellings carefully, okay? Don't miss it. I hope you have finished. So I'm going to the next now. That is the type C. Type C, that is true and false. So you write number 1 is false. Number 2, it is true. Number 3, it is true. Number 4, it is false. And number 5, it is also false. False. You write down quickly. Have you finished? Okay. So then we are going to this type E, because these questions are little bit confusing. Type E, I'm doing for you. So number 1 question is that Al plus FeCl2, that means iron chloride, arrow mark, AlCl3, aluminum chloride, and Fe. So this is the question. Now what you have to write, you have to put the number in front of them that it will be equal to each other. So now what to do? Here you have to put 2. Here you have to put 3. Here you have to put 2. And here you 3. Now why you are putting and how you are putting that I'm showing you. You see in this side, these are said as the reactants. Okay, these are the reactants. So in the reactants, what are there? You see, first of all, aluminum is there, then iron is there, and chlorine is there. 3 elements are here. Okay, in this side, they are said as the products. These are the products. Okay, the right side of the arrow mark, it is the products. So here also same elements are there. You see aluminum, this is iron, this is chlorine. The same elements, aluminum, then iron, then chlorine, same elements. So firstly, they were not same in number. Firstly, aluminum, in front of aluminum, nothing is there. That means 1 aluminum was there. Then iron also, nothing is there in front of that. That means 1 iron was there. And chlorine here, 2 is there. That means 2 chlorine were there. And this side also aluminum 1 was there. Before we write this 2, before that 1 was there. Chlorine Cl3, so 3 chlorine were there. And iron also, in front of iron, nothing is written. That means 1 iron was there. So aluminum 1, this side also aluminum 1. Iron 1, this side also iron 1. It was okay. But in this side, chlorine was 2, but here chlorine was 3. That means it were not same. Okay, these were not same. So we have to change them. We have to put some numbers in front. We cannot put the numbers below here. Let, for example, here we cannot put like this 2. Okay, it will be, if we put here, it will be wrong. So we can put only in front. So we are putting in front here 2. So when we put 2, then aluminum becomes 2. So this is our new one, 2. And 3 putting, that means iron also becoming 3. And chlorine, what will happen? So previously 2 was there. This is the 2 who were there. Now we are putting 3. So 2 3s are, that means you have to multiply. 2 3s are, it will be 6 that you have to, you have to write here 6. That means now the new one, how many aluminum? 2 aluminum, 2 iron, and 6 chlorine. Now this side you see here, when you are putting this 2, then aluminum it will be 2. Then chlorine, I told you that this and this it will be multiplied. So chlorine here 3, here 2, 2 3s are 6. So chlorine will be 6. And then iron it will be 3. So now you see both the sides. This side also aluminum 2, this side also aluminum 2. This side iron 3, this side also iron 3. This side chlorine 6, this side also chlorine 6. That means all sides, both the sides, the number of elements are equal. How many aluminum are here? This side also same. How many iron are here? This side also same. How many chlorine are there? This side also same. That means both sides it is equal. Now your equation is in balance. So like that, you have to balance the equation. Now I am rubbing. I hope you understood. Now all these things I have rubbed. So like that, you have to arrange. Okay, you have to balance, not arrange. You have to balance. Now the number 2, I am going to the number 2. Number 2, what is given? It is firstly N2, that means nitrogen, plus H2 hydrogen, arrow mark, I'm sorry, NH3, NH3. So this also, it is not in balance. We have to balance it. And how to balance? I'm telling you. So you put a 3 here, okay, and you put a 2 here. Then it will be in balance. So you just, the previous one, I told you how have to see. So like that you see, then you will feel that both sides, the elements are equal. Now number 3, I'm going. So this number 3, it is given CaOH2 plus HCl, arrow mark. It is saying CaCl2 plus H2O. So how to balance? I'm telling you here also. You see here you have to put a 2 HCl. Then here you have to put 2 H2O. Then it will be in balance. Again, number 4, I'm going. Number 4. Here you see C2H6 plus O2, arrow mark, CO2 plus H2O. So how to balance? I'm telling you, I'm doing for you, but next time you will try by your own. So here you have to put a 2, then here you have to put 7, here you have to put 4, and here you have to put 6. Then it will be in balance. So you will practice by your own, but now I am doing for you. Number 5, Na2O plus H2O, arrow mark, NaOH. So here what to do? You have to put a 2 here in front of the sodium. So you note down it, and you will practice it by your own. This is I have done for you, but if you are said to do, then how you will do that? You practice. You note down first. Then one more thing I want to tell. I want to give you answers. So that is here. I feel that questions may be difficult for you. That is why I want to answer for you. That is type F number 6. Okay. Type F number 6. So here you have to write the chemical formula. Firstly given, you can write, you can make a table here. By making a table, you can write. Okay. You can make a table here. Like this. I'm showing you. Here. Like this. Okay. Here you write chemical name. Chemical name. And this side you write formula. So firstly it is given carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide. So this formula of carbon dioxide is CO 2. So make sure that which are capital, which one is subscript. This 2 I'm writing down. Okay, I'm not writing like this CO2 like this. I'm not writing. So this 2 I'm writing down. So it means it is subscripted. Okay, and this C is also capital, O is also capital. I'm not writing like this CO2 like this, not writing. So if you are writing like this, it will be wrong. If you are writing like this, it will be wrong. So you don't write like that. You have to write how I am writing on the board. Okay. Then number B, that is magnesium chloride. Magnesium chloride. Magnesium chloride. So how to write? M capital, G small. Okay, C capital, L small, 2. 2 subscript, magnesium chloride. So this, which one is capital, which one is small, which one is subscript? It should be very clear. Otherwise, you will be wrong. Okay. Number C, that is calcium sulfate. Calcium sulfate. So the formula is C capital, A small, S capital, O capital, 4 subscript, CaSO4, calcium sulfate. And lastly, number D, iron chloride. Iron chloride. So that is F capital, E small, C capital, L small, 2 subscript, FeCl2. So this is the answer of this question. So carefully you write. Okay. So I hope you wrote. Then I'm going to the HOTS questions. HOTS. So here number 1, it is saying that a student balanced the chemical equation representing the reaction for formation of water from the hydrogen and oxygen as follows. Okay. So what he wrote, H2 plus O, arrow mark, H2O. This he wrote. So it is asking, it is right or wrong. So then you have to write. So it is actually, it is wrong. The equation wrote by the student is wrong. It is not in balance also. Balance also. So the correct equation, for the mentioned chemical reaction will be you have to write 2H2 plus O2, arrow mark, 2H2O. That is the correct one. Okay. So I think you wrote. Next question, HOTS number 2. It is asking, single atoms of metals such as sodium, potassium, and iron can participate in a chemical reaction. Can we call them molecules? You have to write yes. we can call them molecules. They are the monoatomic molecules which have only one atom in them. That is the correct answer. Then next question, solutions behave like pure substances having a uniform composition. Why are solutions not classified as compounds? Okay, so that answer you write, I'm writing. Solutions are the mixtures not compounds, because the components of them unite physically, not chemically. Stop. These components can be easily separated by some physical methods. Okay, so this is the answer, and like that you have to answer the hot questions of this lesson. Now from my side, the lesson is finished, explanation also finished, then this question answers also finished, and the other questions which are left, so that you will read by your, so you will try to do by your own. So if you feel any problem, so then you let me know in my next class, and I will try to solve your problems. Okay, so then thank you for today. Thank you for joining my class. Okay, and I want to terminate the class now.